time for a pit stop. We're about an hour and a half out of our hometown on our way to check out our new van.
Feel uninvited, left your home in West LA, I'm not excited, so uninspired, on my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder, she loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer, just wanna touch like back when we were younger, yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me, touch me, touch me, touch me.
So we've just arrived after our 4-hour journey from Gisborne up to Taupo here in the central North Island, and over there is the van we've come to look at. So all going well, we'll be driving that home. So we just wanted to stop quickly and let you all know that we've brought a new van.
Yay!
This is our 2004 Ford Transit. It is a long wheelbase with a mid-roof. Obviously there's a fair bit of stuff still in here that we're going to need to strip out, but we are totally stoked. So this is our new adventure and our new project, and we've got a fair bit of work to do, but honestly it's going to be primo when we've sorted this out and we are cruising New Zealand in it. If you're in New Zealand and you see us on the road, then definitely shout out, give us a toot, give us a wave, say g'day. Oh, that's a bit Aussie, isn't it? Kia ora.
Let the fun begin.
So yeah, we haven't found a name yet, but that is on our to-do list. First things first, driving 4 hours back to our home with our new purchase.
Won't you take me